So today what I want to demonstrate to you is how to use word art, in particular how to include shapes within your design, how to use text effects, gradient effects, fill your shapes, and copy and paste different shapes within your word art. So let's go. Let me share my screen. There we go. And now I'm going to go to my start menu and I'm going to open up a new Word document. So remember, when you open a new Word document, always go to single space document rather than blank document. Blank document puts in the spacing it thinks you want. Single spaced allows you to control this yourself. So here we go, create. So what I want to do is insert some word art. So let me do some for my YouTube channel, shall I? So insert, and along here, so that's insert tab at the top, and along here we'll see this little box here. Okay, so insert word art. If I come down here, I can choose one that I want. Let's go there, just now. Okay, and I will type in here. Okay. That's all very well, but the position, I want this centered in the page. So go to position tab up here, and if I put it in center, okay, there we go. And again, it's a bit bland and boring. So what shall we do? We shall fill in the shape, okay, the shape around the text, box around the text. So I'm going to go shape fill. I'm going to use gradient. Gradient is when something gradiates from one color to another. So let's see. Let's go for a light one, this one here, so you can see. That's it, okay. My text effect has some shadows in it already, but I could play about with this as well if I want. Highlight just the text. You highlight just the text, and up here, where we've got the text here, text effects, okay, I could put in shadows, so I can change the degree of shadows here by using this perspective, that type of thing. I could do 3D rotation if I want. At the moment, what I want to do is maybe keep outer, inner, keep an inner. Okay, there we go. That's it. Right. What else do I want to do? So that is text effects. To do that, highlight the text area. Okay, highlight the text area and come to your text effects here. You can also play about up here. You can change the color of text, things like that as well. So if I use purple, there we go. I'll change the purple of the text there. Okay. I also want to make sure you're sitting within this text box, okay? I also want to insert some shapes, I think, to make this more interesting. So while I'm sitting in here, you can see that the shape format tab is open up here. Oh, it's not open, but if I click on it, it will open up. Then I can come to my shapes menu over here, and what I want to do is create a shape. Let's go for lightning, okay? Using my left mouse button, draw the shape. Use the shape there. That's it. Okay. I quite like that, but I think I'd like it at the other side as well, coming in from the opposite direction. So what I want to do is sit on here, right click, copy, okay, and then click out, right click again and paste, or Control V. Okay, so either paste or Control V. Now you will actually have two sitting there, so sit in the top one, drag it across to where you want. If you've pasted it directly on top, you can just then drag it across. Okay, that's okay. But I'd quite like this reversed so that it's coming in from a different angle. So again, sit in this box, go to shape format, and this little box up here, okay, this is the rotate objects. So if I go here, I could rotate this 90 degrees, rotate left, flip vertical, flip horizontal, something like that. Flip horizontal. And there's my word art. Short and simple. I have a shape with gradients in it. I have text with fill and gradients in it. I have created a nice little shape, if you like, highlighting the title of my graphic here, and I've copied and reversed it. For this side, I've used editing features, I've copied and pasted, I've got color gradients, and I could put in pattern fills of things as I see fit. Okay, so remember, you can just sit in here and you can do shape fill, shape outline. You could change the outlines as well. Okay, sketched. You could make your shape appear that way. Change outlines, play about with it how you see fit. Okay. And that's how to use word art. Short and simple. Thank you.